This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, in today's session we are going to see structures in SAP HCM. If you observe this diagram, you will understand the basic about company structure. Company structure is divided into two parts like enterprise structure and personnel structure. Further, we have organization structure as well. Before moving into a direct configuration on in practical, let's just discuss few theoretical part here. So you will get better understanding. In enterprise structure, what includes? Enterprise structure includes company code, personnel area, and personnel sub area. Let me show you this diagram. So any organization that is divided into these parts like company code, personnel area, and personnel sub area. So we'll discuss one by one what is company code, personnel area. Company code represent a legal entity of organization. It has own organization unit. That means we need a company code for accounting perspective, and company code should be of 4 characters alphanumeric code. So there is a limitation of 4 characters of alphanumeric code. You can enter 4 characters in company code. Now we'll see personnel area. Personnel area is a subdivision of company code and can represent a specific entity or geographical location. In simple word, personnel area is nothing but a physical location of that company. Suppose my company is operating in Mumbai location, Delhi location. So those are my personnel areas. And again, it is a 4 character alphanumeric code. You can maximum enter 4 characters in personnel area code. And apart from that, we have personnel sub area. Personnel sub area is further subdivision which is assigned directly to personnel area. That means if you have a personnel area located in location of your company is in Mumbai, and further they have branches, and that is called as personnel sub area. Otherwise, if you don't have any branches, you can directly assign your departments to your personnel area. So this is basic about what is personnel area, personnel sub area, and now we are going to configure enterprise structure in SAP. Let me just quickly log into SAP system. So you have to click on SAP login. And you can enter your username and password. In demo session, we have created one company, but today I want to create a new company to show you one more time how to configure a company so that you will get better understanding. First, click on SPRO, then click on SAP reference IMG. Then go to enterprise structure. And in enterprise structure, further go to definition and expand this. To expand this, you can use right arrow. Further in definition, you can click on financial accounting. And first part is define your company. Now I'm going to create my new company here. And for that, you need to go to this place, IMG activity. You can directly click through mouse, or otherwise there is one other way. You have to click Shift and Tab on your keyboard, and then you have to click on spacebar to execute this specific function. Once you enter the spacebar, you will get this kind of screen where you can see your existing companies. And now I want to create my new company. Click on new entries. So let's say I want to create my own company. I will give a company code here and company name, private limited. And further, there is detailed information about their address. So I can mention Mumbai as a location. And in country section, you can enter a short code of your country. If you know short code of your country, you can directly enter. IN is a country code for India. I have entered directly. Otherwise, you have option to click on that drop down option. Let me show you that. And you can search for company here. To search your company, you have this icon. You have to click on that and search your company. Once you search your company, you can select this company. Similarly, you need to select your language. Now, I'm going to select English as my primary language and enter your currency. I select INR. Once you enter these basic values, click on enter and click on save. Once you click on save button, you will get this kind of pop-up window. So in this section, you will get a short description about your company. Currently, this section is showing previous company. Now, if you want to highlight your own company, you have to click on own request. And in this section, you have to click on modifiable and then click on create request. And this symbol is for create requests. On the bottom, if you see here, this is a symbol for create your own request. Click on that and give a short code to your company. I have given VI Industries as a short code to my company and save this from this icon. Click on save. Once you save, now your company is highlighting here. And double click on that. So in pop-up window every time, now your company will be showing. Click on continue button. And your data has been saved successfully. Now, if you want to go back to previous page, you have to click on this green icon. Click on back, and now you will get your company on the very top, on the first place, VI Industries Private Limited. Then click on back. Now we are going to see further configuration. Next step is edit, copy, delete, check your company code. So click on IMG activity, click on edit, copy, delete, click on that edit company code data, click on new entries. Now enter a code of your company. So whatever the entries you maintain, you need those entries every time. That's why I will recommend you to note down your company code, company name, what will be the personal area, and how to store that. I will show you here. You can maintain in Word file like this, or otherwise you can create one page on your notebook where first you can mention company name, then company code, personal area, employee groups, employee subgroups, and payroll area. All these values we require every time. So right now I have just created VI Industries. Let me save my data, and I have given code for my company VI01. I have saved my entries. Now just enter a company code here, name of company, details of company. Click on enter. Guys, let me just quickly log into system once again. Let me go to that transaction. We have defined company successfully, and currently we are into this step: edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on edit company code, new entries, enter your company code, city, and enter your values and save your values by Control S, or otherwise you can save your values from this icon. Once you click on save icon, you will get this kind of pop-up window where you will get a lot of details about address and communication detail. For the time being, for practice, I'll just enter a mandatory fields here, and here mandatory field is this country icon where I need to enter a code for my country. I have entered IM, click on enter and click on continue. So your data was saved. Then click on back. Again click on back and close this window. This is the second step. We have just seen a basic configuration about our enterprise. Now the next part is define personnel area. For that, you need to go to the human resource management section. If you scroll down, you will get a human resource option here, human resources. Expand this, and in this, here scroll down, you will get first option, that is personnel area. Now we are going to configure our enterprise structure. And enterprise structure basically includes personnel area, that means location, and personnel sub area, that means sub location. So we'll see a detailed configuration here. Click on personnel area. You will get existing personnel area. Now you want to create your new personnel area. Click on new entries. Let's say I want to create my personal area in Mumbai location. I'll write VI Industries Mumbai. Further, you need to enter address details here. For the time being, whatever the required fields, I will fill that and move on. Country key and region is required here. For country key, if you know country key directly, you can enter here. Otherwise, you can browse from this section or click on that drop down option. Here you can search your country. To search your country, click on find and region. Now region will you will get results about region based on your country. You have selected India, that's why here you will get search results related to India. And my company is located in Mumbai, so Mumbai is in Maharashtra. For that, I'll select 13. 13 is code for Maharashtra. I'll enter 13 here. So these two values are required here. For the time being, I can enter those two values. Click on enter and save your values. Once you click on save, Control S, you will get again pop-up window where you need to enter your country code. I have selected India and click on continue. So your personal area is successfully created. Let me just save this code for my personal area for future reference. I need this. I have saved this value here. VIM is a code for personal area. Now click on back. You will get here VIM Industries Mobile. Again, click on back and close this. Now you need to create a personal sub area. Click on create personal sub area. Here system is asking you about personal area. We have just created a personal area with code BIM. I know my personal area. If you forgot, you can search, click here on drop down and you can search with your company name. VIM, that is VI Industries Mumbai. Here in this personal area, I'm going to assign sub area. So click on new entries and let's say I don't have any sub area. For the timing, I'm going to create a departments here like HR, finance, marketing, and production. So you need to enter a short code of your department here and full text in this column and enter your values and save your values by Control S. Click on continue. So you have successfully created an enterprise structure. This is all about how to configure enterprise structure and system. Hope guys you will like this session, and if you have any doubts and queries you can write us a mail so we can clear your doubts. Thank you so much for your time.